All right, we want to find the absolute maximum value on this interval for this function. 15 minus 4x minus 4 over x. To find the maximum, so the absolute, to find the absolute max, you take the derivative and then you set it equal to 0 and you solve for x. So I'm going to rewrite my function as 4 over x, 4 to the x minus 1. So that makes it easy to use the power rule. The derivative of 15 is 0. The derivative of negative 4x is negative 4. This derivative, negative 1 times a negative 4, that's going to end up being a positive 4, and then I subtract 1 from the exponent. So the derivative equals, I didn't mean to write that 0. The derivative equals negative 4 plus 4, and I'm going to move that x squared back to the bottom. I set this equal to 0, and I solve for x. So probably what I would do is add 4 to both sides. So that cancels. I get 4 equals 4 over x squared. And then I probably would multiply x squared on both sides. So that cancels. I get 4x squared equals 4. Then next I would divide both sides by 4. So I end up with x squared equals 1. When I take the square root of both sides, you're supposed to do the plus and minus. However, if I go back up here, it said my interval was positive. So when I take the square root of 1, I'm only going to do the positive one. So this tells me my max is at x equals 1, which is, if I plug in 1, 15 minus, that would be my dog barking, minus 4 over 1. And if you subtract this, you should get 15 minus 8, which equals 7. So the absolute max is 7 at x equals 1. Scotty! Math lab 12, 5, number 9. Scout! 12, 5, number 9.